I just completed part 2 of this video by editing explode step 5 so that the explode dimension was 160 millimeters. I want to do the same to explode step 6. Change this dimension to 160. Apply. Done. And I can see that both halves of the exploded frame are exploded symmetrically. I can edit any step to not only change the explode distance, but I can also change the parts or components that are included in the actual explosion. So here, where we exploded the entire rear triangle, if I want, I can exclude the bridges from the explosion, unhighlight them, hit apply. We see these are now left behind in the explosion step. If I want to re-add them, I can click on them, hit apply. They are now included back in. If I want, I can also change the order of the explode steps in the explode steps box by grabbing a step and just dragging it to a new position. Once I'm completely happy with my explosion, I just hit the green check mark. This brings me back into the configuration state. You can see the exploded view and all the steps. I can now collapse this by right-clicking on Explode View, Collapse. I can re-explode it by toggling that to explode. If I want to get fancy, I can collapse this by right-clicking. Instead of choosing collapse, I can choose animate collapse. This brings up an animation controller, and the collapse occurs in the exact reverse operation of the original explosion. I can set the speed of the collapse, and I can change it so it plays once, plays in a circle, or seesaws back and forth between collapse and explode, as we see here. This concludes part 3 of the explosion video.